Hello, this is Teresa. I am coming on today to give you the results of cycle one, which ended Saturday evening. I've got notes here. I'm going to be looking down frequently here to recap what I've got written. Okay. First off, I want to just say April 1st, which is the day I started, I weighed in at 282.8. And I'm going to go from there. And I have pictures and measurements at the end of the video. Day one, April 1st, my diet was great. My steps and cardio was great, but I did not do any strength training. I was still trying to decide on whether I would add that to my diet or not. And on this diet, the first cycle, they say at least 17 minutes of some sort of exercise a day. Day two wasn't so great. I had extra grains and sweets that day. I think it was just I think one serving over. Steps and cardio was great. And that day I decided to add the strength training, so I did strength training. Day three, diet, steps and cardio was great. No strength training. This was the weekend. I was thinking through the weekends I would not do strength training, but I changed my mind later. Day four, again, this was the only day that my calories was over 1,800 calories. I had extra grains of sweets again. Those are two things that I have problems with that I'm trying to cut back on. My steps and cardio was great. This was Sunday, so I did no strength training. Day five, diet, I had a little bit of sweet. That was it on that. Steps and cardio and strength was great. Day six, again, grains and sweets. Use normally one serving over. Steps and cardio and strength was great. Day seven, everything was great. Day eight, again, grains and sweets. At least one over. One serving over. Steps and cardio and strength was great. Day 9, everything was great. Day 10, just sweets. I think I craved sweets more than the grains. Steps, cardio, and strength was great. Day 11, everything was good. Day 12, everything was good. Day 13, good. Day 14, again, sweets. Steps, cardio, and strength was good. Day 15, diet was great. Steps and cardio was great. And I did not do strength training that day. I don't remember exactly why. I think I had too much is why I had to take a break. Day 16, diet, sweets again, and steps and cardio and strength was great. And And day 17, that was not such a good day. Grains and sweets, steps and cardio was good, and no strength. And that was pretty much it for the 17 days in the way of diet and exercise. At the end of the 17 days, on day 17, I weighed 272.4, which was a total loss of 10.4 pounds on the first cycle. And the book says the first cycle is anywhere from 12 to 15 pounds you can lose in the first cycle. I did pretty good. The first round that I did back several years ago, I only lost 7 pounds and I plateaued at that. It was 7 pounds for like 8 or 10 weeks, and then I gave up. Okay, and at the end, here at the end, I want to add the measurements and pictures. And that was the results of the first cycle, and I want to do the same thing, probably in a different format for cycle 2. And that's it. Until next time, I will see you then. Bye.